Every now and then, the photography world gets hit with a bolt from the blue. A breakthrough that doesn't just nudge the needle forward, but slams the door on the old ways and flings open a whole new horizon. We're not talking minor tweaks or incremental upgrades here. This is the kind of seismic shift that rewires how we think about capturing the world. And if you've caught wind of the whisper swirling around Nikon's next big reveal, your pulse is probably racing already, because the Nikon Z9 II is on the horizon, poised to shatter expectations for what a pro-level camera can achieve. What aspect of these rumors has you buzzing the most? Drop a comment below and let's geek out together. To truly appreciate what's brewing, let's step back in time a bit, to that electric moment in 2021 when Nikon unleashed the Z9. This wasn't merely another body in a lineup. It was a bold manifesto, Nikon's resounding declaration that the clunky DSLR days were done, and mirrorless was the unchallenged king of the hill. The Z9 didn't whisper it. It roared. Picture this. A stacked 45.7 megapixel sensor that devoured light with insatiable hunger, churning out 20 raw frames per second like it was child's play. Its autofocus? It was eerily intuitive, almost psychic, locking on a subject with precision that turned chaotic scenes into crystalline triumphs. Pros latched onto it like a lifeline. Wildlife chasers who couldn't afford a single missed wing beat, sports snappers battling deadlines in the blur of motion, and even filmmakers who, for the first time, glanced at Nikon and thought, yeah, these guys get it. But here's the relentless truth of our craft. Innovation's shelf life is brutally short. What dazzles one year becomes table stakes the next. Rivals didn't sit idle. Sony unleashed the Alpha One, a hybrid monster that blurred the lines between stills and motion in ways that left jaws on the floor. Canon countered with the R3, a precision instrument sculpted for adrenaline-fueled action. Panasonic doubled down on video wizardry, while Fujifilm polished its lenses to cinematic perfection. The field tightened, the stakes skyrocketed, and now Nikon circles back to plate, bat in hand. The Z9 II, whispered by some as Z9 II, isn't built as a from-scratch reinvention. No, it's a masterclass in evolution, taking the Z9's triumphant blueprint and honing it into something even more intuitive, a quiet refinement of an icon that already redefined the game. Nikon gets it. The Z9 struck gold, but creators crave that next layer of seamlessness. So expect the Z9 II to cradle all the rugged, integrated grip toughness that pros demand, but distilled into a sleeker, feather-lighter form that's exquisitely balanced for those marathon sessions where every ounce matters. Envision a tool that molds your grip like a well-worn glove, unyielding against blizzards in the tundra or the relentless scorch of sun-baked dunes, yet so ergonomic it vanishes into your workflow. Nikon's not peddling flash-in-the-pan tricks. They're forging unshakable trust. The buzz points to fortified weatherproofing that laughs off monsoons, smarter cooling to keep your cool under fire, and cutting-edge alloys that shave weight without flinching on fortitude. This is a beast built to thrive in the frenzy of Formula One pit stop or the hush of a midnight downpour. Your silent sentinel, no matter the storm. The first thing that'll steal your breath, though, is peering through that viewfinder. The Z9's EVF was solid, a reliable window to the world. But the pack has sprinted ahead, and Nikon isn't sleeping on it. Leaks paint a picture of 9.4 million OLED panel pulsing at a mind-melting 240 Hz refresh. Zero stutter, no ghosting, just an uncannily fluid vista that rivals the clarity of your own eyes through a flawless pane of glass. Track a peregrine falcon slicing the sky or a superbike threading apexes at warp speed, and every pixel snaps into place, immediate and unyielding. For those who bet their careers on split-second decisions, this isn't luxury. It's liberation. Then comes the rear display, a sore spot that sparked endless wishlist rants from the community. The Z9 screen held its own, but it begged for more freedom. Enter the Z9 II's fully articulating LCD, flipping, twisting, and angling with effortless grace to match your wildest visions. Vloggers chasing that perfect selfie angle, directors framing epic overheads, hybrid shooters flipping between horizontal epics and vertical scrolls. This is the unlock they've craved. In an era where a single frame morphs into stories across TikTok, Instagram, and the silver screen, that swivel isn't fluff. It's a key to unbound creativity, turning what if into watch this. But oh, the real heartbeat thumps beneath the hood. where the Z92's soul ignites. Word on the street keeps resolution in that sweet 45 to 50 megapixel corridor, seemingly safe but brilliantly strategic. Piling on pixels can bloat files, drag read speeds, and invite distortion. Nikon sidesteps the trap, zeroing on velocity, purity, and smarts instead. Brace for a fresh stack CMOS sensor, nimbler and more refined than Nikon's wildest dreams yet, devouring data at velocities that banish rolling shutter to the shadows. Powering the symphony? Nikon's forthcoming next evolution, or perhaps twin processors tag-teaming the load, for computational wizardry that doesn't just crunch numbers, it anticipates your intent. Image refinement flows silkier, autofocus evolves from reactive to prophetic, learning your quirks in real time. And that AF, it's leaping realms. The Z9's deep learning system already nailed humans, beasts, vehicles, even jets in the ether. The Z90 II, it whispers of foresight, not just shadowing motion, but divining its arc. A gazelle bounding through savanna grass, a ballerina twirling beneath strobing spotlights. Lock on, unwavering, eternal focus. Pros don't chase guesses. They demand certainty, and this delivers. Velocity? The murmurs hit fever pitch at 30 raw frames per second, AF and metering glued to the action without a blink. That's not matching the field. It's lapping it, leaving Sony and Canon in the dust. Yet raw horsepower alone is hollow without backbone. Nikon engineers for the grind, where glitches cost gigs in glory. The Z90 II pledges that steadfast rhythm, a machine that hums through hellfire without a hiccup. In the velvet cloak of lowlight, where masterpieces are forged from whispers of shadow, the Z90 II aims to eclipse its predecessor. The Z9 dance with dusk admirably, but expect amplified poise, a sensor yielding pristine signals, balloon dynamic range, and AI-fueled noise taming that renders high ISO's ghostly clean. Plunge into nocturnal streets or dimly lit studios, sans a grit that plagues lesser rigs, pure signal, endless latitude. Filmmakers, this is your siren song. Dial back the rigs and gels, embrace the ambient, and let narratives unfold unbridled. And speaking of cinema, buckle up. This is where the Z90 II ignites pure rapture. The Z9 crashed the party with internal 8K 60p RAW video, defying thermal meltdowns and earning Nikon a seat at the director's table. The sequel? It eyes 8K at 120 frames per second, a torrent of frames in hyper detail. Portable as your backpack, yet potent as a studio workhorse. Toss and bolster raw formats for post-production sorcery, nuanced hues, gradation mastery, fidelity that bends to your edit bay's will. Nikon's color alchemy, simmering in the labs for years, promises buttery gradients, voluptuous contrast, and that elusive film stock warmth, right from the sensor. Imagine dailies that could grace a blockbuster, all from a rig that slips into a shoulder bag. No crane required. Overheating? Nikon's cracked the code anew, with thermal architecture that vents fury like a pro athlete, plus whisper-quiet fans and heat-shedding smarts. Marathon 8K rolls become routine, no sweat, literally. Slot-stay dual CF Express Type B, the unassailable champs of throughput. Juice for blistering writes that erase buffers mid-burst and sustain endless takes. Those fleeting instants, the proposal under fireworks, the eagle stoop, demand zero compromise, and Nikon delivers. Endurance get to glow up too, beyond the Z9's stout stamina. Smarter electron husbandry and lean circuits could stretch sessions into epics, minimizing gripes over grip swaps. For the nomad pros, jetting from fjord to festivals, that's the difference between flow and frustration. Don't sleep on the threads that bind us to the digital ether, either, connectivity, the unsung hero of modern capture. Shooters aren't silos anymore. We're nodes in a global web, beaming assets, live streaming sagas, fueling feeds on the fly. The Z90 II gears up with fortified Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless handoffs, and hint of 5G to bridge continents in a heartbeat. Snap a ceremony's vow, and it's cloud-bound before the echoes fade. Dispatch raw feeds to your colorist oceans away, instantaneous and ironclad. This isn't tinkering. It's reweaving the tapestry of creation, where the shot's birth and its bloom happen in symphonic lockstep. So, the million-dollar riddles, tag, and timeline. The Z9 bowled us over at $5,500, a a steal against the titans from Sony and Canon. The Z9 II's floated around that $6,000 mark. Premium turf, sure, but a bargain for the arsenal it unpacks. Unveiling? Scout's eye late 2025 or an early 2026 dawn. Syncing flawlessly with Nikon's rhythm, affording those final firmware flourishes and hardware hone-ins at birth perfection. Yet peel back the specs and a grander tale unfolds, not just pixels and processors, but Nikon's very essence reborn. For generations, Nikon etched its name in ironclad optics and heirloom builds, DSLRs at weathered wars and weddings alike, birthing visions from a grind. Mirrorless dawn demanded reinvention, not imitation, and the Z9 II is Nikon's gauntlet throne, trailblazer, not tail-ender. It avowed the vanguard. We're forging ahead on our terms, a ripple to the giants that the throne's got fresh claimants. From battle-hardened shells to oracle-like smarts, blistering pace to narrative depth, this flagship coalesces into the ultimate ally. Not for snappers alone, but visionaries, chroniclers, wanderers. The gear that doesn't log the now, it architects the what-ifs, turning sparks into symphonies. If the grapevine holds true, the Z9 II isn't merely arriving. It's heralding Nikon's renaissance, a mirrorless marvel fusing artistry and ingenuity into the extraordinary. A device that doesn't toe lines. It redraws a map. So if your inner creator's stirring like mine, keep your eyes peeled. This could be the spark that reignites the fire. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.